Hello everyone and welcome to the OctoClean channel. My name is Greg and today with our Train With Us series, we're going to talk about microfiber color coding of towels and why janitorial companies use different towels for different surfaces. So let's get into it. So you see here on our table we've got green, yellow, blue, and red. They're colored for a reason. When we're looking at different color towels, and if you notice here that all of these towels, all four different colors, are all microfiber towels. So we're using microfiber color-coded towels for different surfaces. We use microfiber because microfiber allows disinfectants or cleaning chemicals in general to actually clean surfaces and not try to attempt to clean the towel as a cotton towel would do, or a terry towel or a bar towel, something like that that you see in the general public. So why? Why do we use different color towels? So let's look at this. So we have a green. Green towels are used for surface cleaning. So this could be a desk, this could be a kitchen counter, this could be a wall, this could be, name it. Anything, even in restrooms, we're using a green towel on the sink, the faucet, so the areas that you're actually cleaning your hands on. So this is a green towel for surface cleaning. Next, talking about restrooms, we're gonna go into yellow. Yellow towels are very specific for us. They're yellow for a reason. Anything that toilet or urinal, yellow goes into it, yellow gets cleaned with it. This is so we know that this towel only touches a toilet or a urinal. It's not going on to a surface after I clean a toilet. It's not touching a doorknob or a stall or anything like that. This is strictly just for toilets on the outside and just cleaning them, polishing them, things like that. The next towel we have is blue. Blue towels are used, and this is a micro suede microfiber towel. So these blue towels are used to clean glass. So these are what gives us that streak-free cleaning. They don't get very wet. You don't have to put much chemical on, and they work really, really well for glass cleaning only. So if you look at that, we have surface, we have glass, we have toilets, urinals, and the last one we're going to talk about is red. So here at OctoClean, we do a lot of surgical suites. So inside the actual surgical center, the suite where a patient would have surgery, our surgical suite towels are red. We know that these get cleaned separately. We know that these have disinfectant on them. So this is automatically the only towels that we use in a surgical type of inside the surgical suite area to do disinfectant on a nightly basis. Again, thank you for training with us. If you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe. And then in the comments section, tell us which towel that you guys use the most, and was this informative, and what you didn't understand and what you did understand. And we look forward to seeing you again next time.